In the ever-evolving world of industrial applications, technology is reshaping the landscape of manufacturing and automation. One of the key advancements driving this change is virtualization technology. Virtualization adapts from cloud to edge, driving edge computing by optimizing physical resource usage and enabling remote operations, with ultra-low latency for OT environments. Our iVEC is a high-density, innovative edge computing platform offering high-performance, remote management, and virtualization technology. Combining the strengths of industrial computers and servers, iVEC is optimized for edge computing environments. With server-grade performance, remote management, low power usage, wide voltage input, and a space-saving design, it eliminates the need for air conditioning and guarantees reliable operation in any setting. With iVEC, OT professionals can consolidate applications on a single server, optimizing hardware use and ensuring seamless edge performance. It enhances efficiency and offers remote control and monitoring capabilities. iVEC guarantees compatibility with legacy applications and provides web-based remote desktop accessibility. It also facilitates instant migration, replication, and disaster recovery planning. Our solution offers versatile connectivity, such as serial connections for seamless network integration. It also enables Edge AI with CPU and add-on GPU support, along with flexible resource allocation for improved quality and energy efficiency. iVEC allows hardware and applications to run independently, supporting multiple OS, ensuring compatibility and protecting legacy software with isolated environments. It handles large data streams for acquisition, real-time analysis, and monitoring, running multiple applications on one hardware to cut downtime and costs. iVEC also powers AOI with 13th Gen Intel Core CPUs and integrated GPU, reducing GPU costs and enabling dynamic resource allocation. This solution provides a centralized server for building automation systems that optimizes energy usage, eliminates the need for rack space, and reduces costs. Plus, it features a rugged design for harsh environments and maintains connectivity in areas with limited infrastructure. iVEC is your ESG-friendly solution to transform your edge into an agile computing platform, enabling efficient OT and resilient operations through seamless virtualization.